Hello everyone, welcome once again for another PGCET crash course training session conducted by RNSBU and Simpson's Talent Solution. Let's see what are the topics we are going to complete in this session. Is the screen is visible? Yes. Okay, let's start with the session. Yesterday we have seen the pattern. This is the pattern we have seen yesterday. There will be 100 marks and each question carry 1 marks each and duration will be 2 hours and there will be no negative marking. And this is the breakup. This is for MBA. For other specific section, there will be a subject specific section. And yesterday we have completed proficiency in English language and GK. And today we are going to see reasoning and general intelligence. On this concept, we are going to get 25 questions, which carries 25 marks. Let us start with the reasoning and general intelligence. This is the section C. Based on these 5 topics, we're going to get a questions. In this section, puzzle, diagram, analogy, verbal ability, analytical ability. Based on these 5 concepts, we're going to get the questions. Okay, let's start with the first one. In the below question, one main figure is embedded in any of the 4 option figures. Find the option which contains main figure. Is my voice is audible to everyone? Okay. Okay. Let's start with the Is the voice is clear now? Is this screen is visible? Sorry for the inconvenience. Please wait for 2 minutes. Yes. Uh, yes. Now is it audible? Now is it audible? Yes. Now is it sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, we'll begin with the session. Yesterday, we have seen the MBA patterns. Yesterday, we have seen the pattern for MBA. There will be 100 question and each question carries 100 marks and duration will be 2 hours and there will be no negative marking. And this is the section wise breakup for MBA. And yesterday we have seen the English language and GK. We have completed these two topics and today we are going to see reasoning and general intelligence in the first session. In the second session we are going to see the quantitative analysis. And for except MBA, for other course like MCA, MTech, ME, MArc, for that you will be having a subject specific sections. And today we'll see about reasoning and general intelligence. Under this, there will be these 5 concepts. Today we're going to cover this 5 concepts. Based on this, you're going to get a questions under reasoning and general intelligence. Is my voice is clear now? Can anybody respond in the chat section? Okay, you are. We'll begin with the session. Okay, we'll start with the first one. Okay, in the below question, one main figure is embedded in any of the 4 option figure. Find the option which contains the main figure. So this main figure will be hidden in given 4 option. You have to find the suitable option for this. Let me zoom this. Yes. Okay, can anybody answer for this? A, right answer. A is the right answer. See, this line is like this, and it is like this, and like this, and again like this, and like this. This main figure is embedded here in option A. Seeing here, this line is not completed in this option. So this is not the right option. Yes, right. And this is, in this we don't have this line here. So this is also a wrong option. And in this, we have this line, but we don't have this line here. So this is also a wrong option. The correct option is A. You're right. Right answer, you are. Right answer, Mahindra. Right answer, Ayush and you are. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. See here, clock is to time, so thermometer is to what? What is the answer for this? Clock is to time. Clock shows us time, right? So thermometer is used for what? Temperature, right? Right answer. Temperature is the right answer. Good. Next. Right answer. Then we move on to next. If sequence is coded as FAD, FDOEF, VRFT, then how the children is coded? If sequence is coded as FDOEF, VRFT, then how the children is coded? Sequence is coded as FDOEF, how the children is coded? Okay. See. Okay, we'll see for a few seconds whether it is working or what. Listen here. If sequence, see the word sequence is coded as FDO, FVRFT. If sequence is coded as FDO, FVRFT. Then, how is the given word children is coded? We need to find out that. So here, see, first we need to find the relation between sequence and FDOF VRF, the coded word. How it is coded, we need to find out that. First, we need to decode that. Then the same logic need to be applied for the word children. First, what they have done here means, first, word sequences written in the reverse way. They have written in the reverse way. Then they have written the next letter of this. After E it is F, after C it is D, after N it is O, after E it is F, after U it is V, after Q it is R, after E it is F, after S it is T. Here the word sequence, first they have reversed the word, then they have written the next letter of each letter. After E it is F and so on, like this. First, what you have to do for the word children means, first we have to write this in the reverse way. NERDILIHC. Then we have to write the next letter of this. After N, O. After E, it is F. After R, S. After D, E. After L, M. After I, it is J. After H, it is I. After C, it is D. They have written in the reverse way. Then they have written the next letter of this. After E is F. Here the word sequence. So for this, the answer is OFSCMJID. This is the okay. We move on to next one now. For this, the answer is OFSCMJID. Next. Direction. Arun walks 15 meter to east. This is the east direction, right? He goes 15 meter. 15 meter to east. Then he turns left and walks 5 kilometer. Right? Then again he turns right and walks 10 meter. First he walks 5 meter, then he walks 5 meter, then Arun walks first 15 meter to east. I have drawn here 15 meter. Then he turns left and walks 5 meter. And again he turns right and walks 10 meter. So he's here right now. I'll change the color. He's here right now. So in which direction he is facing? So he is facing in this direction, right? So the answer is east. It is the answer is not The answer is east. It is not northeast because they did not ask you in which direction is from the starting point. If they ask you like from which direction is from the starting point, if they ask you like that means at that time northeast will be the right answer. But here they're asking you to tell that in which side is facing, in which direction is facing. So the answer is east. Is it audible to everyone? Is it audible to everyone? Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Mercury, planet, Himalaya. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Mercury, planet, Himalaya. And the answer is, wait, I'll show you the options. Wait, I'll show you the options. Yes. Yes. Now, tell me the answer. Mercury is a planet. So, Himalaya is a what? No, wrong answer. Wrong answer. Mountain is wrong answer. Mountain is wrong answer. Yes. For this, right option is range. Range is the right answer for this. Okay, I think my voice is clear now, right? My voice is clear right now. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. In a certain code language, computer is written as RFUV, QNPC. How will medicine be written in that code language? So first we need to decode how the word computer is coded as in this way. First, we need to find out how the word computer is coded as RFUV, QNPC. First, we need to decode this. Then the same logic need to be applied for the given word medicine. So let us solve this. See here the word computer, C and R. Here C and R. This two letter C and R are kept constant. They're just interchanged. Then see the remaining letters. What they have done here? Okay. Option C, Yes, option C is the right answer because first what they have done, they have reversed the given word. C-O-M-P-U-T E-R. So, see here, computer is coded as RF, UV, Q, and PC, right? Here first, I'll change the color. 1 second. Here the word R and C are kept constant. They are not changed. And remaining letters are what they have done for the remaining letters. They have written the next letter of each one. After E it is F. After T it is U. After U it is V. After P it is Q. After M it is N. After O it is P. I'll repeat it again. First, the word computer is reversed. See, I've reversed here. First, the word computer. See, first I have reversed the given word computer. Then I kept R and C as it is. And remaining letters is there, right? For that, I've written the next letter. For remaining letters, I've written the next letter. After it is F, after T it is U, after U it is V, after P it is Q, after M it is N, or it is P. So, like this, I have written. So, this same logic we need to apply for the word medicine. So, let us do that. First, what we have to do, we have to reverse this. Then, what is the next step they have done here? They kept first and last letter same. They did not change anything. First and last letter was same, right? See here, I have written same. Then, for remaining letters, what they have done, they have written the next letter. After M, it is O. So, the answer will be between A and B. After I, it is J. After C, it is D. After I, it is J. So, for the answer is, so for this, the answer is C. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is this is clear to everyone? Is my voice is clear now? Is my voice is clear and this question is clear to everyone? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, well, we'll move on to the next one. If okay, if not east become north, then what will east become? Answer this. First, I'll draw the directions. North, south, east, west. So here what the and the subdirections are. 1 second, I'll change the color. Yes. Northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. So here northeast becomes north means what will east become? So can anyone answer this? If northeast become north, if north east become north, east will become what? See here, this northeast. Yes, right answer, right answer. See, this northeast become north. So yes, north, see here, northeast become north. So east will become the previous one. What was the previous one? Northeast. See, listen carefully. I'll draw it again. This northeast become north, the previous one, right? So east will become northeast, the previous one, right? So northeast is the right answer for this. East will become the previous one, anti-clockwise. So it is going in anti-clockwise, right? Northeast become north. So east will become northeast. So northeast is the right answer for this. Yes. Then we'll move on to next. Answer this. Answer this. What is the answer for this? Lion, den, bird. See, lion stay in den. Bird stay in what? Yes, nest. Nest is the answer for this bird. Nest, yes, nest is the answer for this. Then we'll move on to next one. Cobbler, shoes. Tiger. What is the answer for this? What is the answer? Yes, clothes is the answer for this. Clothes. Clothes is the answer. Good. We'll move on next. Yes. 1 second. Yeah. In the below question, one main figure. This is similar to the first one which we have solved already. We have to find, sorry. So what is the answer for this? Tell me the answer. Yes. For this, option B is the right answer. See, this figure is embedded here, right? Figure is embedded in this. This is not possible in this. This is wrong. And here also it is not possible. And here also it is not possible. So option D is the right answer for this. The second figure is the right answer. So we'll move on to next part. Yes, answer this. Light, bright water. Light, bright water. Light, bright. So water. What is the answer? Answer fast. So what is the answer for this? Wet. Wet is the answer. What is the answer? Wet. Wet is the answer for this. For this, wet is the answer. Then we'll move on to next. Yes, take this and saw. A child went 90 meters in the east to look for his father. A child went 90 meters in the east to look for his father. Then he turned right and went 20 meters. First stop. After this, he turned right. And after going 30 meters, he reached his uncle's house. His father was not there. From there, he went 100 meters to his north and met his father. How far did he meet his father from the starting point? I'll give you the options for this. A option 80 meters. B option 100 meter. This is 80 meter. And C option is 140 meter. And D is 260 meter. So find the answer for this. So what is the answer for this? What is the answer? Okay, let me draw for this. Okay. A child went 90 meters to east. This is 90 meters to east, and to look for his father, he turned right and went 20 meters. Okay. So this is not the right. He is standing here, so his right is this side, south side. He turned right and went 20 meters. After this, it turned right. After this, it turned right, and after going 30 meters. After this, again, it turned right and went 30 meters. He reached his uncle's house. His father was not there. So from there, he went 100 meters to his north. So 100 meters means to his north means the upwards, north side. He went 100 meters. To his north and met his father. How far did he meet his father from the starting point? We have to find this distance from this is this starting point, right? And this is the ending point. So if you have to find the distance between ear to ear. So for that, first we have to write the distance of this. Let us take this as A and this point as B and this, one second, this as B and this as C. So from ear to ear, we don't know the distance, but from this point, from this point to this point, we know it is 90. We need from ear to ear. So from ear to ear, it is 30. They have given here. It will be similar. So 90 minus 30 is 60. From ear to ear, it is 100, we know, but we need from only this point to this point. So 100 minus 20, it is 80. Now, to find this, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. I think you all are aware of the theorem. That is AC square equals AB square plus B. This is B C square. Just substitute this 16 AB square and this 80 in BC's place. Then after solving this, you will get 100. Check out. After solving this, you will get 100. You have to use the Pythagoras theorem. For this, the answer is B. For this, the answer is B. B is the right answer. For this, the answer B is the right answer. So now we'll solve the next one. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Yes. Is what is the answer for this? For this, the answer is 32, right? Because after 2, they have given 4. After 4, it is 8. After 8, it is 16. So the answer is 32 because they're doubling the each number, right? So for 16, when we double that, so they have doubled this. So the answer is 36. You all are right. 36 is the answer. Sorry, 32 is the answer. Sorry, 32 is the answer. 62 is the 32. 32 is the answer. Now we'll solve the next one. Okay. For this, what is the answer? For this, what is the answer? Yes, right. Right answer. For this, it is right answer. Right answer, you are 5247. Because, see, here, the word give, for this they have given some number, so directly they have assigned the numbers to the letters. So G is 5 here, I is 1, V is 3, E is 7. Same way for BAT they have given again they have assigned some numbers 9 to 4. So always get coded here. So G, what is the assigned value for this? 5. For A, it is 2. For T, it is 4. For T, it is 4. And for E, it is what they have assigned? 7. For this, 5247 is the right answer. Now, answer for the next one. Yes, for this. Yes, necklace is the right answer. Necklace is the right answer. Right, necklace is the right answer for this. Finger. For finger, we put a ring, right? Same way for necklace, we wear, for neck, we wear necklace. Right. For finger, it is ring. For neck, it is necklace. Right. Yes, Rua, right answer. So, now, find the answer for this. So, what is the answer for this? Yes. Yes. If white is called, see here, if white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet, and violet is called orange. What would be the color of human blood? So, what is the color of human blood? That is red, right? But in the given question, red is called as yellow. So, for this, yellow is the right answer. Yellow is the right answer. Yellow is the right answer. Okay, we'll move on to next. Answer this. Doctor, diagnosis. Judge, judge. Dog will diagnose, so judge will. What is the answer for this? What is the answer? What is the answer for this? Doctor will diagnose. Judge will. Yes, verdict. Option C. Verdict is the right answer. Yes, right answer, Ramya. Right answer, you are. Okay, next one. Find the missing term. 1491 14916. So, what is the missing term here? They have written the square number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 9 square is 16. Sorry, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So answer is 25. 25 is the answer because they have written the square numbers, right? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 5 square will be 25. After 16, 25 should come. So 25 is the right answer. Right. Now, answer this. Okay, 1 second. I'll give you the options along with this. Yes. Now, if the animals which can walk are called swimmers, animals who crawl are called flying. Those living in water are called snakes. Those which are flying in the sky are called hunters. Then, what will a lizard be called? What is the answer for this? What will be lizard be called? So, what is the answer? C. How does lizard move? It will crawl, right? So animals who crawl are called flyings. So answer is we're asking about the lizard. So what is the answer? For this, flying is the answer. Instead of lizard, if they ask you for the tiger, make they ask you for the tiger. Tiger will walk, right? So the animals which walk are called swimmers. Animals who crawl are called flyings. Those living in water are called snakes. And those which are flying in the sky are called hunters. So for this, for lizard, the answer is flying. If they ask you for any other animals like tiger, lion, elephant, these three will these three animals will walk, right? For that, it is swimmer. For lizard, the answer is flying. For lizard, the answer is flying. For this question, the right answer is flying. See, it is here. Okay. We'll move on to next. Poet, poem, sculptor. What is the answer? What is the answer for this? Statue. Statue is the right answer for this. Statue is the right answer. Next. Tell me the answer for this. Yes, you are right answer. Statue is the right answer for the previous one. A, P, R, X, S, and Z are sitting in a row. Given that S and Z are in the center, they can be S and Z, or it can be like ZS. But they think that they're facing towards north side. Imagine they are facing towards north side. And in the next line, what they have given, E and P are at the end. Let us think A is here and P is here. And it can be like this also, possible way, right? We have to write all the possible way. Then R is sitting to the left of A. So here, if A is at last, here means no one can sit at left of A because it is at the left end. So this is not the possible way. It can be like this. R is sitting to the left of A. O is to the right of P. Yes. X is the right answer. For this, X is the right answer. Good. See here, I'll explain you again. Listen carefully. A, P, R, X, S, and Z are sitting in a row. Let us imagine this all are facing towards north side, upwards. They all are facing towards north side. In this, they have given S and Z are sitting at the center. It can be like this or it can be like this. That is a possible way. And A and P are at the end. A and P are at the end. It can be A here and P here, but by reading the next statement, we came to know that A is at the right corner because R is sitting to the left of A. R is sitting to the left of A. Then this is possible way. This is the only way that A and P, A is sitting at right and P is sitting at left. O is to the right of P. Now, the left out blank is this one. So it has to be X. So X is the right answer. Good. Good, Priya. Good, your right answer. Now, find the answer for this. For the previous one, X is the right answer. X is the right answer. Now solve this. Yes, right answer. See, they're adding the previous one. 1 plus 1, 2. Let me draw this. They're adding, see, 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. And 5 plus 8, it is 13. For this, 13 is the right answer. Good, you are. 13 is the right answer. Next, solve this. Teacher goes to school. Lawyer, where does lawyer goes? Teacher working place is school. Yes, lawyer working place is what? Court. Court is the answer. Then, yes, right answer. Right answer. Now, answer this. All dogs are cat. Imagine here, this is dog. All dogs are cat. Right? Then, all cat are bulls. All cat are bulls. Conclusion. We have to find out which statement is right in the conclusion. Okay, we'll change the color for that. Some dogs are not bulls. No, see here, this bull comes under all bulls, right? This is not possible. Some bulls are dogs. Yes, this is possible. Some bulls are dog, right? All bulls are dog, wrong. See, all bulls are not dog, but all dogs are bulls and all dogs are cat and all cats are bull. Then all dogs are bulls. So, see, some bulls are dogs, that is possible, and all dogs are bulls. Yes. Conclusion 2 and 4 is the right answer. 2 and 4 are right. The option will be conclusion 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4 or 2 and 4. The options will be like this. So in this conclusion 2 and 4 is the right answer. Now answer this. Pointing to a girl, Ramesh said, she is the only daughter of the only son of my father. So what is the answer for this? He is pointing to a girl and saying she is the daughter of the only son of my father. Here, Ramesh is the only son for his father. So, the girl is who here? Who is that girl? Yes. She is a daughter of Ramesh. Because in the given statement, they are telling that Ramesh is pointing to a girl and saying that she is the daughter of the only son of my father. That means his father is having only son, that is Ramesh, and the daughter is Ramesh daughter. So daughter is the right answer. Next. What is the answer for this? Engine, train, heart. Engine, train, heart. Train need engine to run. So heart needs. So what is the answer for this? Answer fast. Answer fast. What is the answer fast? Yes. Body. Train needs engine, body needs heart. Right? Heart, body is the answer. See here. Train needs engine to run. So body needs heart. Right? Right. Body is the right answer. Good. Now, find the answer for this. What is the answer for this? Yes, for the previous one, body is the answer, right? For this, what is the answer? Okay, without wasting time, we'll solve it. See, for 1 1 3 4, they have written R. For for yeah, for double one double for 4 times 1, they've written R. For 4 times 2, they've written T. For 4 times 3, they've written E. For the 4 times 4, they've written N. And 4 times 5, what will come in that place? They have given the question mark. So see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 times we are adding 1, so it is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. 3 plus 3, 9. 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Yes. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Yes. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 25. 20. Sorry, 20. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. See, they have written the last letter. For R, they have taken. For T, they have taken. From E, 12, they have taken E, the last letter. For 16, they have taken last letter N. For 5, it is Y. Yes, right answer. For this, Y is the right answer. Then, in a certain language, yes, right answer. In this, for the numbers, they have given some letters. So for 3, 3 it is yes. For 3 it is, they have given yes. So yes. Again for 3 it is yes. For 9, What is the lesson? The letter they have given you? L. For 8, it is N. For 0, it is R. Directly, they have given some numbers and they assigned some letters for that. So for this, first one is the right answer. Good. Now solve this. Some papers are pen. Okay, this is, let us write PP for our reference. PP means papers. Some papers are pen. For papers, we'll use the purple color. 1 second, we'll mark it. For papers, we'll use the purple color. For pen, we'll use this blue color. Some papers are pen. We are taking some small part of that. Okay, pen. Then all pencils are pen. So let us take yellow. All pencil. This yellow is pencil. All pencil are pen. Okay. Now, this is the statement they are given and we have drawn for that. Now, let us see the conclusion part. We'll change the color. It is green. Some pens are pencil. No. No. Some pens are paper. Yes, right. See, this blue is pen and paper is this. So we have some portions is mixed over here, right? That means some pens are paper. So conclusion 2 only satisfies. Conclusion 2 only satisfies. Only this one satisfies because pencil. And also see even conclusion 1 also satisfied because 1 second. See here, even some pens, which is pen here, blue color is the pen here. So in that we have a pencil part. So some pens are also pencil. Both the conclusion follows. Both the conclusion follows. So both are correct. Both are correct. I'll explain it again. Listen carefully. Some pens are pencil. So pencil is in yellow color, right? Some pencils is here. So that means this blue color is pen. So inside pen, we have some pencils. So this one satisfies same way. Some pens are paper. So paper is in purple color. So here it is mixed. So this also satisfies. So conclusion 1 and 2 satisfies. Then next one. In a certain language, Sam means water is life. Sam na zo means glass of water. Chi zo ma means life of pie. So, which of the following represent pie in that language? For that, first we need to compare. See, water is here. and water is here. So, what is a common? What is a common here? Common code word? Sam? Sam, right? Common code word. So, water is equal to Sam. Water is equal to Sam. Next, we have life here. We'll change the color. We have life here. 1 second. We have life here and your life. So, what is the common word here? Ma. Ma. That means life is equal to ma. Yes, Ramya. Yes, Priya. Right answer. Chi is the right answer. Then, here we'll change the color for the next one. Off here and off here. So, common code word is zo. Off means zo. Okay. We need to find what is pi. We need to find what is pi. See here, we know life means ma. So cancel this. We know off means zo. So pi means which is the left out here? Chi. Chi is the answer. Chi is the answer for this. Yes, right. Chi is the answer. Next, move on. We'll move on to the next one. Hmm. Tell me the answer for this. If 1st Jan 2021 is Sunday, what will be the 31st December of the same year? See here, take the note that in a ordinary year, first and last day will be same. In a ordinary year, first and last day, of the year will be same. In a ordinary year, yes, correct. Sunday, because this 2021 is ordinary year. It is not a leap year. Sunday is the right answer. Take the note in an ordinary year. So 2021 is an ordinary year. 2024 is a leap year and 2020 is a leap year. So which are not leap year are called as ordinary years. In that, when the year is an ordinary year, the first and last day will be same. If it is Sunday, then the last day will be also a Sunday. Got it? Sunday is the right answer for this. Sunday is the right answer. Then, next one. Pointing to a man, Rina said, is the son of my grandfather's only son. So, what is the answer for this? No. No, Yuva. Wrong answer. Pointing to a man, Rina said, is the son of my grandfather's only son. Read out carefully. Is the son of the grandfather's only son. For Ria also, yes. Ria's grandfather's only son means Ria's father. Okay. Let me mark this. Yes, brother is the right answer. See, I'll explain it. Listen carefully. See here, the Rina is telling that, pointed to a man, is the son of the son of my Ria's grandfather's only sons is the son is a son of the of my. She's telling that she is the son of my grandfather's only son. So Ria and this boy, the only son, this son and Ria, that son is brother of Ria. Brother is the right answer. Be careful, brother is the right answer. I'll explain it here. Grandfather's only son. Grandfather's only son. Ria's grandfather. Ria's grandfather's only sons. Okay. Is son. So the relation is brother. Brother and sister relation. So option B is the right answer for this. Next. Okay. We'll draw. All window. We'll draw it in or purple color. All window or doors. That means all windows are doors. So door. Yes, no. No door is wall. We'll draw somewhere here. Wall. This is wall. We are drawn somewhere. This is wall. Some windows are wall. See, we have done with the statement. Now, check with the conclusion now. Some windows are wall. No, windows are here, wall is somewhere here. There is no connection between this and this. So it is not possible. No wall is door. Yes. Only this statement is right. Yes, Ruwa. Yes, Ruwa is pretty right answer. No wall is door is right answer. Correct. Next. Complete the series. Complete the series. Yes, right answer. Right answer. They are doubling. Seven. They're doubling the number. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 28, it is 56. 56 plus 56 is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So this is the right answer. Right answer. Then for this, which is the right answer? This is the right answer. Yes. Because car, motorcycle and jeep needs fuel to run, but bicycle does not need fuel. So this is the odd one here. Bicycle is the right answer. Next. What is the answer for this? Let me zoom. Then it will be visible for you properly. Yes. What is the answer for this? So you need to find this answer. This answer. First, when you see this type of question, write the alphabet. One second. First, write all alphabets and the number. Okay. One second. Okay. Listen here. Yes. See here. Adding all this. So it is 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 4, best. See here. Answer is Q. Okay, we'll check that. We'll check the answer. First, we need to add all this. Adding all this, we got 14. 14, right? So here, position of n is 13. So they have taken one letter, lesser one. So that 14 minus 1, it is 13. So here, let us check with the EL. 12. 12 minus 1, it is 11. For this, it is 13. Same way. 14 plus 2, 16, 17. So we have to take one number lesser. 17 minus 1, it is 16. Yes. Yes. So the answer is what? Q is the right answer. One second. Yes, you are right. N is 14. So adding all this, we got N as 14. And adding all this, we got L. L is what? 12. And same way, adding all this, we got 14 plus 2, 16 plus 1, it is 17. So 17 is 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is Q. Q is the right answer. Right answer, you are. Q is the right answer. Now, next one, solve this. Yes, right. A man is facing north. A man is facing north. It turns 90-degree clockwise. So that means it turns 90-degree clockwise. Now is facing towards east, right? Then again it turns 180-degree anti-clockwise. So now is in this. So now is here. We know this is north, this is south, this is east, sorry, this is east, and this is west. Now, which direction is facing now? The answer is west. First, it turns 90-degree clockwise, then it turns 180-degree anti-clockwise. Now is in west direction. West is the answer. Next. Yes, for previous one, west is the answer. Now, find the answer for this. I'll take this in a news sheet. B is the father of A. See here, for male, we'll mark it as plus. For female, we'll mark it as minus. Remember this, okay? Based on this itself, you're going to solve the all problems. Okay. Male, we are marking as plus below that letter, and for female, we're making as minus. Okay. B is the father of A. B is the father means male, plus is the father of A. Right? Here still we don't know A is male or female. But we know B is father means B is male. Then C is the mother of A. That means C is mother means she is the wife of B, right? So mother means female. So let us mark it as minus. Then D is, one second. We'll change the color. D is father of C? D. So D is father of C means D is male. D is father of C. Above C, you have to write that. Then D is father of C. E is the mother of D. One second. We'll make the space for that. Okay. What they have given? We up to here we have done. D is father of C. That means D is male. Then E is the mother of D. So E, this is E. One second, I'll draw it properly. E is mother of E, mother of D. So E is female. So you're marking in minus. Then how B is related to D? So how this B is related to D? How it is related? Yes, son-in-law is the answer. See, C is daughter of D, B is husband of C. So, son-in-law is the answer. Son-in-law. Son is the answer. Son-in-law is the answer. I'll repeat it again. See here. B, I'll change the color once again. Okay. B is the father of A. B is the father of. For male, we're marking plus. For female, it is minus. Okay. B is father of A. That we have written here. B. Below that, A. B. For plus, for male, we are marking as plus. Then C is the mother of A. So that means C is wife of B, right? Yes. So C is mother. So for female, we are marking as minus. Then D is the father of C. C. D is male, so we're marking it as plus. It is father of C. Then E is mother of D. Here we written E here is mother of D. So we're marking as minus here. Then how B is related to D? Then how B? So B is here and D is here. So for D, B for D, C is the daughter. C is daughter of D and B is husband of C. So B is son-in-law for D. B is son-in-law for D. So son-in-law is the answer. Next one. Yes. In the calendar of the year 2007 will be same for the which year? See here, let us write the years. We'll write few years. Then below that, we'll write if it is a normal ordinary year, we'll write 1. If it is a leap year, we'll write it as 2. See, 2007 is a what? It's a leap year. So you're writing it as 2. Then 2009 is ordinary year. So you're writing as 1. 2010 is also an ordinary year. And this is also a ordinary year. And this is a leap year. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Instead of 2016, let us take 2006. I'll tell you why. One second. Let me make you understand first this. Then I'll explain you for 2007. Okay. See, 2000, the calendar of the year 2006 will be same for the year. Be same for the year. We have to find for which year the calendar will be same. So for 2006 is the ordinary year. So we're writing as 1. 2007, it is also ordinary year. 1. 2008, it is also ordinary. So it is not a ordinary year. It is a leap year. So we're writing 2. For 2009, it is 1. For 2010, it is 1. For 2011, it is 1. And for 2012, it is 2. Okay, let us count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is going to repeat in which year? 2012. Because when you are adding the ordinary year and leap years, so you have to get 7. So 7 is completed year. So when it is completed, the next year will be the repeated year of the given question. If 2006 is given as a question, we have to start from 2006, 2007. You have to write some years. We have to write some years. And you have to write their odd numbers. See, for ordinary years, there will be 1 odd day. For leap year, there will be 2 odd days. That we are going to write. Remember that. Just that is enough. For ordinary year, we're writing 1. For leap year, we're writing 2. When you're going to add, if you get 7, then you have to stop your counting and you have to write the next year. 2006 calendar is going to repeat in 2012. This is clear to everyone. For 2006, if they ask you for 2006, the repeated year will be, it is going to repeat in the year 2012. Okay. Now, we have to stop counting when we get the 7 number. Okay, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7, so we have stopped with the counting and we're writing the next year. So if they ask you for 2000, if they ask you for 2007, now in this 2007 will be repeated in which year, we need to find out. Again, what you have to do, we have to write some years. Let us write the years. You have to start from the given year: 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. Okay. One second. I'll decrease the font size. Okay. 2017, 2008. Okay. Just write the numbers. Okay. Okay, we'll start. See, 2007 is a ordinary year, so we're writing 1. 2008 is a leap year. 2009 is a ordinary year. 2010 is also ordinary year. 2011 is also ordinary year. 2012 is also a leap year. 2013. Okay, let us count now. We have to get 7 number, right? So 1 plus 2, it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're getting 8, we're not getting 7. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to continue the process. We have to write for the next year. 2013 is a ordinary year. 2014 is also a ordinary year. 2015 is also a ordinary year. 2016 is a leap year. Okay. Now, if we don't get 7, next we have to check for 14. See, instead of getting 7, we got 8 here, right? Adding all this, we got 8. 1 second. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2. We got 8. But we have to get 7. So you're not getting 7 here. We got 8. So what we have to do, we have to continue the process till we get 14. Here we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now we have to stop our counting. We have to stop the counting. Then 2007 calendar will be repeated in 2018. This is how we are going to find. This is going to repeated in 2018. See, instead of getting 8, if we got 7 means we have to stop the counting year itself. But here we got 8. So what we have to do, you have to continue till we get 14. Okay, we have to stop exactly at 7. If it is not possible, then you have to stop exactly at 14. Remember this. See, for 2016, 16 is an ordinary year. We got 1. For this also we got 1. For this we got 2. And adding all this, we exactly got 7. So we have stopped our counting. We have 1 second. We have stopped our counting year itself because we have stopped our counting year itself because we have stopped our count. 1 second. Let me mark and show. Yes. Yes. We have stopped our counting because by adding the odd numbers, we got 7 here. So we have stopped the counting when we got 7 and the next year will be the leap year. But here we did not get 7. We got 8 directly. See here. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did not get 7. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to continue. So till we get 14. 13, 14, sorry. We got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got exactly 14 here, right? So we have to stop our counting year and you have to take the next year. So 2007 calendar will be repeated in 2018. No, for 2007, we are not getting exactly 7. We are getting 8 when we're adding their odd numbers. So what you have to do, when we don't get 7, exactly 7, we have to continue the process. So we have to count till 14. If that is also not possible, instead of getting 14, we are directly getting 15 means again you have to continue till you get 21, multiple of 7. Okay, now we are stopping our counting here. So this calendar, 2007 calendar will be repeated in 2018. Okay, we'll solve the next one. See, remember that you have to count, you have to stop counting, you have to stop count when you get 7, 14, 21, like this. If you're not getting 7, then count for 14. If you're not getting 14, then count for 21. Next. In this, what is missing in the you have to find the last grade missing in the last grade. Okay, see here the options they have given. First let us find the logic here. Let us simply count this. See here we have 4 dots, and this here we have 5, and by counting this here we have 6, and here we have 7, and here we have 8. So what is happening here? In each blocks, one is getting increased. So here it has to be 9 dots. So let us count in the option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this there are 10. So this is not the right option. Here we have 8. This is also not right option. Here also we have 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Here we have 9 dots. Yes, option D is the right answer, Ramya. Option D is the right answer, you are. Yes. We'll move on to next one now. If the 1st January 2024 is Sunday, what will be 31st of the same year? You have to find the day. Which day will be on 31st of the same year? Take the note. In leap year, if first day is any day, then in a leap year, if first day is any day, then last day of the same year will be next day of the first day. In a leap year, if first day is any day, in a leap year, if first day is any day, then last day of the same year will be next day of the first day. So if first day is Sunday, the last day will be next day of the given day. So that is answer is Monday. Monday is the answer for this. Yes, you are right answer. Monday is the right answer. Okay. Which number replaces the question mark? What they have done here? They have added the below numbers. So 7 plus 9, it is 16. 16, and they subtracted with the upper number. So 16 minus 4, it is 12. That is what they have written here. Then we'll check the same method for the next triangle. 1 plus 4, it is 5, and they are subtracted with the top one. So it is 5 minus 1, it is 4. So the logic what we have guessed is right. So next what you have to do, we have to add this. 6 plus 5, it is 11. So we have to subtract with the top one. So it is 11 minus 2, it is 9. So answer 9. 9 is the right answer. Yes. Yes. So this is how the questions will be. You have to practice this type of question. Yes. We have solved the questions under puzzles, diagram, analogy, verbal ability, and analytical ability. And you have to practice under this topics. Okay. Okay. Thank you all for joining the session. See you in the next session.